Hi. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. I'm gonna share another advent calendar with you. I'm gonna unbox it. So if you want all the things surprises, skip to the end to see if this advent calendar is worth purchasing, and then tune in starting December 1st to my advent calendar series where I open up the advent calendars with you guys every single day throughout December, from December 1st to December 25th, or however long the advent calendar is. So today's advent calendar, we're gonna be unboxing the ELFTASTIC 12-day advent calendar. As you could see, I already opened it up. I got my full reaction and surprise for you guys for Instagram, but I wanted to reopen this up with you guys to see if it genuinely is worth the $45 that this calendar is for 12 different products. So let's jump into it and let's open this guy up. All right, our day one is actually falling. Oh no, our day one is not even on here because it already fell. Day one's right here, already opened for us. Thank you. Oh, this is gonna be one of those. Okay, gosh. We have the Brow Wow in neutral brown. Oh, it's got like little fibers on it. Okay, I kind of like this. It's a good color for me. But this is actually kind of cool. I don't know if you could see, it has like little brow fibers in it. I don't know. I actually kind of like this product. This is different. This is new. Cool. Day number 2. Also, can we talk about the holographics on this calendar? It was so hard filming with this because of how holographic it was. I tried to keep it together too, and it just did not want to stay together. Day number 2 is, I think, a lipstick. Yes, it is a lipstick. So it is a like dusty rose. Oh no, it's much more coral than a dusty rose. So here is the lipstick. I'm not the biggest fan of this shade, but it feels nice and creamy and soft. Has just a makeup smell. Day number 3. Oh, got it. Okay, this is not that hard. Thought it was gonna be very hard to get all these out. We have the Hello Hydration Face Cream. I don't know if I've actually tried this before. It feels really nice. It has like a sweet skincare kind of smell, but it feels actually really nice. I like it. But wasn't expecting any skincare in this, and we have some. Day number 4 is right over here. Oh, cute. We got a cute little eyeshadow palette. I actually have used these before, and ELF has stepped it up with their eyeshadows. I'm not too much of a shimmery person, but this one actually looks like it could be really pretty and double as like a highlighter. Same thing for this one for darker skin tones. And then I love that there's a matte cream shade and a matte brown shade. Number 5 looks like, oh. Number 10 wants to come out sooner than later. Number 5 is right here. It is a little brush. So it's just like your classic eyeshadow brush. It says it's their blending brush. Fun fact, I actually have some of ELF stocks. Day number 6. Oh my god, I forgot about this one. This is the prettiest eyeshadow ever. It is like a red cream eyeshadow with gold glitter. It's a little chunky, but I think it should, I think it's supposed to be blended out like with your finger like I am doing. Look at that. Just look at, here it is, like right after. So pretty. It's a liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Cranberry Punch. Day number 7 over here, also trying to show itself. Oh my goodness. I think this one was kind of hard. Okay. We've got the Poreless Putty Primer. I've actually never heard of this before from ELF. It looks kind of similar to the Tatcha Silk Cream. Maybe it's kind of, I would definitely say that this is like a dupe for that. It seems like it's just a kind of like a pore filler. Like here's the, if you want to compare. I don't know, it's cute. I guess we'll have to try it. And it looks like it's, honestly, it looks like it's full size too, which is awesome. Day number 8 is this big one right in the middle. We've got a makeup mist and set. So we have a little mini setting spray. Do I dare spray some on my makeup? Oh, can't say that that smells really great. And it doesn't spray. I like the soft sprays. This one is not one of those, but it's sprayed evenly, which is all that really matters. So day number 9, we've got the Ride or Die Lip Balm in Boss Berry. So I actually have used this before, not this specific one. It's like super thick. I've used the clear one, and it is like Vaseline thick essentially. This one smells literally like straight berries. It smells so good. So if you like that like thicker lip balm and you're really worried about the smell and it doesn't really taste like anything, it smells so good though. Like I just crushed berries on my lips. On to day number 10. Oh, okay. 10 wanted to be shown before. I really don't like when some of these are really hard to know. Come out of the box. Get out of the box. Ow. I broke so many nails opening advent calendars. I don't want to do it again. Got it. So number 10 is a super pretty gloss in the shade Bubbles. And it's like this really cute silver glittery shade. I love it. It's so pretty. So cute. Day number 11. Can you guess what day number 11 is? It's a beauty blender. We got a little purple beauty blender. I will say I'm a little disappointed in the beauty blender because I have some of e.l.f.'s beauty blenders, especially that black sparkly one. So cute, and the sparkles do not fall off. I don't know how. I've washed it multiple times and they're just like in there. They don't get on your makeup. But this one feels like cheap, and it's all like dented from the advent calendar. You poor thing. All right, you guys, last but not least, day number 12 in this weird shape, we have none other than a lash curler. Ta-da! So just your classic lash curler. Nothing to say here. So, is this advent calendar worth $45? You know what? I think that it's definitely worth the price if you are shopping for someone who wants to get into makeup. I don't think that this is a gift for someone that is like around my age. I think this is definitely a gift, and e.l.f. in general is definitely a brand for, I feel like, the younger generation. I love e.l.f. products and I still use them today, but I think for this little set right here, I think it would be such a great gift for someone who is just getting into makeup, or someone who really likes e.l.f., or someone who really likes drugstore makeup products. I'm actually really impressed by some of the products that are in this kit, especially the face cream, the Poreless Putty primer. The gloss is so pretty. This eyeshadow is really pretty too, and I really actually like this brow product a lot. It seemed like they were kind of theming and trying to put together like a holiday look out of all of the products in here, and I like that they're all completely different and you can probably create a whole look out of them. So I think that it was really cute. Is it worth $45 though? I'm not sure. I would definitely be more inclined to like jump on top of this and buy this advent calendar if it was like $30, $35. But I think you have some good products in here, and I have a feeling that it might go on sale. So it's available on e.l.f.'s website. It says that it's a $55 value for $45. That actually makes a lot of sense. I definitely think that they could have made it like maybe a little bit cheaper. You can also get this advent calendar at Target for the same price, still $45. Actually, it looks like it's not even in stock anymore on Target. So I think as of right now, the only place that you're gonna be able to pick up this advent calendar is going to be at Ulta, actually, now that I'm seeing it, you can pick it up at Ulta. I love how they just ruin the surprise for you. No. You can get this at Ulta or you can get this at elf.com, possibly Target, I'm not positive. I definitely think that this could be worth it if you really do like elf products, or if you're giving this as a gift. I think for me, I might have passed on it, but again, I do this for a living, so I didn't pass on it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.